Did you know there are 6 ways to help another person heal? 6 ways. Number 1, surgery. It's the most invasive, most dangerous. It's like removing organs, removing a tumor, or maybe sewing up some things that are detached, like your bones, mending your bones. It's the most dangerous surgery. Number 2, medications. Medications are less dangerous than surgery. However, medications by definition it has a side effect. So medications are still dangerous, less invasive though. It doesn't matter if you feel the side effects now or 10 years later. You still will have side effects. So that's number 2. Number 3 is passive therapy. Passive therapy is chiropractic and massage therapy and similar. So that's someone actually having to do the therapy on you. You are passive as a person. So it's someone doing the therapy on you. Number 4 is semi-passive. Semi-passive is traditional Chinese medicine like acupuncture or physical therapy. Like we actually start, as an acupuncturist, I would start the healing process and then you would be able to actively maintain it yourself. Number 5 is active therapy. Active therapy is diet, exercise, lifestyle, stress, sleep, all of these. You have 100% control of these active therapies. And number 6, the most important, is free. It's 100% safe. It's prayer and love. As long as you have a heart, you can pray for someone and you can love on someone. Follow me here.